Come with me to check on the chickens. I'm putting on my chicken boots. There's one that kind of acts like a puppy dog. And I don't think you guys have seen the chickens in a little while. So, let's go take a look. I can hear them already. It's a little windy. I love my wind chime though. I don't know where I'm gonna put y'all when I get back here. To the chicken castle. Okay. Hopefully I can be fast enough. Scoot back, please, Rooster. Scoot back. Go, go, go. I don't want you to mess with me. We're friends. We are friends. Okay. This is my weapon. Because we're not actually friends, if you didn't catch it. Is there a hey in the house? Is there a hey? That's her. Right there. Is there a hey? Can I get a hey? Where are you at? Come here, Mama. What you doing? What's my baby's doing? Oh man, he is not nice. Rufus, we named him Rufus. I don't know if you guys have seen the Rufus the bull. He definitely has that attitude. Yeah. There's Eeyore up there. She's the gray one. I'm thinking she's gonna give us the blue eggs. She's an Easter egger. Hi girls. You wanna come here? Come to Mama's? Come here. What are you doing? What are you doing, girl? Why do you guys keep fighting in there? Please don't get me a rooster. Weapon. Okay, go that way. I'm gonna pick you up. I'm gonna pick you up. I'm not scared. No, you're not gonna attack me. We don't need this. We are friends. We are friends. Keep going. Keep going. We're friends. Keep going. We're friends. Ladies, get out of here. Get up out of here. Maybe I'll just... He's not gonna... Here's Hey. She's an Orpington, I think. I don't know. Troy knows all the things. She's the sweetest. Oh. Anytime I try to give anybody else attention, she's like pecking me and asking for love. I'm gonna get you all. You were playing hard to get, acting like you're not little puppy. Here's our brown one. I think she's the same as Hey. So she's the one of the cuddlier ones too. Less shy. That rooster is so mean, dude. So this is either brownie or biscuit, but they're both brown. So I don't know the difference. She's sweet. She's a sweet girl. Oh, you jealous, see? You were playing hard to get, acting like you're not my little baby. Like you're not my little baby. We're gonna just keep acting like we're not terrified of the T-Rex. Okay. Do I go the same way so I'm not terrified? I'm not scared of you. We are friends. We are friends. Zorro and Penguin look the exact same now. So I don't know the difference between them either. I feel like Zorro had more gray, but now they're both just black and white. And I have an older girl from my neighbors. That's what started this. Is our neighbors were getting rid of their chickens and they kept asking us if we wanted them. And they had like 4. And so then we decided to get more. That's Troy's favorite. She's meaty. She's got the biggest neck. She's the only one with a beard. Her color is so pretty. Psyduck, you actually let me touch you. Hi, this is Daddy's favorite. She got the biggest neck. She's pretty. Yeah. You're a pretty girl. You're a pretty girl. You're so pretty. You're so pretty. I can't tell if that... Is her beak broken on that side? It does look broken on that side, huh? Thank you for letting me touch you. What do we got up here? That's another chocolate brownie. This is the only one that has feathers on her feet, and it's really cute. She also is like peacocky. There's like this green pearly color. She's so pretty. And then red in her neck that flashes. This is Big Mama, if you remember Big Mama. Hi, girl. We want to keep them friendly. So I keep coming out here and checking on them. Good morning. Is the old ladies being good to you? Are they being good to you? Yeah? Are they being sweet? Or are they still pecking you? Man, you are big. Penguin and that's an old one. That's an old girl. That's Freya. Why is Eeyore being a road runner? Eeyore, the gray one. This is Danielle's favorite. Look at her little mohawk. Good morning. She's the only gray one. But listen, he's always mad, so. Who are we missing? McQueen? McQueen's the only one we're missing. She's got pretty coloring too. Oh my gosh, he thought about attacking me. I don't have the spray bottle, guys. He thought about going after my leg. McQueen. She's Connor's favorite. You're Connor's favorite, huh? You're a sweet girl. You're sweet. Everybody's pretty happy though. Does anybody want that? Yeah, so there's the chickens. I need to grab the spray bottle. Rufus. He's getting fed up. Am I missing one? That girl, she keeps laying on eggs. I wonder if she's in here. It's Fiona. Yep, she wants to be a mama. I got too many chickens, Fiona. You need to stop doing that. Let's put this egg right here for a second. Okay. It's nice and warm. Okay, you guys gotta let me out. Let me out. Maybe what I'll do is I'll put it right here. Don't pick the phone. Stay in there. Come on, ladies. Hey. What are you doing? Hey, you can't come out. That's the rooster's favorite. She's old. That's El Pollo Loco, who Troy rescued in a snowstorm at the railroad. Hey. What are you doing, girlfriend? You can't. What are you doing? You can't be with me. You made me a liar and said you weren't a puppy dog. You cannot come with. We are at the door. You cannot come with. Maybe I'll make a chicken harness for you. Go eat. Get in there. Go eat. Go eat with your sisters. Good grief. I love you. I do. I love you. Yeah. Rufus, can you give us one more good call? Tell the people how big you are. That you're a master of this hen house. Can you tell us? I am Rufus. I am legend. These are my ladies. They all seem to be getting along pretty good. Hey, you got so much too. Rufus, give us one more call before I go. You can't give us a call? Come on. I see you puffing up your chest. Look at all the ladies run. Come on, dude. Oh, you okay back there? Psyduck. Okay, that was fun. That's my chicken. Because I turned the camera away.